Welcome to our monitor arm range of products. In front of us at the moment we have the Visidec range. The Visidec range are renowned for holding monitors up to 6 kilos maximum per monitor arm, and in front of us we have the Focus Single. And the good thing with the Focus Single is that we can do some adjustments to that. We can put two arms on the one pole, and as common in a lot of the office situations, you'll find that you have a workplace monitor station that's provided by the employer, and you might have a laptop that you need as well to take home. And with that solution, by putting an extra arm on the same pole, we can put our laptop onto there, we can take our laptop home away from there, and we can also improvise from the point of view of that laptop tray can now become a document holder as well. So a very good product there. If we move along, we also have the option of a Focus Double, and that'll allow you two 6 kilo maximum monitors per arm. And again, similar to the single and with the double, you've got height adjustability with this to suit each individual. The monitor brackets can tilt up and down, and you've got full flexibility of the arms to fit any monitor mounting solution. If we keep moving, then we've got the freestanding range, and we've got that in a double, and again, as you can see from the picture there, pretty standard in what it can do.